If you could see, it's a raspberry ice and some pine trees. So
Talaga?
it's a winter. I have a collection for each, ano po?
Lakasan mo lang.
I have a collection for each season. Meron po tayong winter, summer, spring, and fall. So if you look to see over here.
And another one,
Yes, if you're interested po, of course you can, all these ones proceed is going to the senior citizen of Santo Tomas.
Ay, very good ka talaga.
Cancer patients po. Healing hands. So it's all for donation.
Meron din kami sa TPH, actually, Kite Foundation.
Yeah, so I just have to donate everything po.
Oh, yung bait mo talaga.
Yes.
Pero
So,
base ka sa Singapore.
Yes, I'm based in Singapore. I'm an abstract painter po.
Talaga? Wow, but isa to ko yan. Kuya Ben.
And this one po is Winter Winds. So it's just
Winter Winds. Another one.
This is oak tree. So inspired the oak tree. Like kapag po winter is yung mga
Punta ka dyan.
yung mga animals po
Para makita
is,
nila yung gawa mo.
Yeah.
Ayan. Sige, explain mo.
They just see it and then they just as a shelter yung oak tree natin.
Talaga? Very good ka talaga. So the other
here,
one
this
is
another collection. Spring po.
Spring. Wow.
Collection. This is a series of tulips. Different
Tulips.
colors. So when spring po kasi lahat
Saan
ng
ka kumuha
colors.
ng inspiration mo?
So my inspirations is more on my personal experiences.
Talaga?
So it's more vibrant because I started painting when I'm struggling
You
with my
are
mental health.
Weng, apelido mo?
Weng Laksamana po.
Laksamana.
So I'm
Mental
from
health?
Pampanga.
Talaga?
Yes, so I'm struggling with mental health. And
Really?
then I just painting.
O, tignan mo
Now
naman
I'm an
ano.
advocate of mental health. So this is a spring collection there.
Spring collections.
So basically, it's Marriott. It's until 6th of January, so you can visit us.
Really?
So all you have to do is just drop by and see the collection.
Yes, how about this?
This one is inspired by Sakura, Japan. So
Sakura.
basically, if you see it, it's falling. So basically, limited beauty.
Ngayon, di
because-
ba? Fall
Yes,
ngayon.
because Sakura is just like will last for about 1 week. And then after that, magbibitay na po yung mga flowers. So it's just inspiration. This
Kumusta ang mental health mo?
It's good. I recovered, so I'm glad that I made it. So basically,
Thank you, Lord.
because of the painting,
So
I paint.
talagang
Yeah.
serious talaga ang ano. No? It's
Yes,
not a joke.
I had a depression.
Kaya
anxiety.
talagang mga tao ngayon,
Yes.
hindi dapat sila
Because
nagja-judge.
I've been with, I had a medical condition, so basically, that's why I'm a cancer survivor.
Really?
Yes, so that's why.
Wow, so proud of you.
And then this is
Tignan mo ha, pwede ka palang sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo.
Yes,
You
I
can turn it
share,
into
you can-
positive.
if you need
Yes.
my help to be, a speaker, you just let me
Yes,
know.
thank you so
This
much.
one is a bamboo leaves, so it's summer, so inspired by bamboo.
Bamboo to.
Ito po yung leaves ng bamboo.
How much is your painting?
So if you see over here, I converted it into peso po. But we can have a discount. You just message Benny, and then we will give you a discount. Just mention that
Talaga.
Weng asked me.
So for
and
this, the cancer patients and senior
for-
citizen.
Yes, so
Wow, ang bait-bait mo talaga, Kuya Weng. I love you.
This one po is inspired by Baab tree from Australia.
Talaga.
So if you see, it's yung kanyang trees is they have a huge they store water here to survive.
Ganon?
Yes. So the Baab
Ang
tree.
galing, no?
So
Ang galing-galing mo, all walks of life, buong mundo.
Yes, it will be,
Alam mo yung iba-ibang
world.
bansa, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Kasi po, ang
Pati
choices-
kawayan, ano? Hindi mo kinalimutan ang kawayan natin.
Opo, syempre po naman special. Ito is dog tree, red dogwood tree. So, it's autumn season po siya.
Talaga?
Turning yung kanyang leaves into a different kind
Gusto
of...
ko na tuloy, nai-inlove na ako sa mga pink.
So, basically, ito po yung... And then, we have this fallen leaves inspired by, autumn then. These are different colors. So, you can just look around. There's a rough things because nature is rough. It's not perfect. That's how I describe all my collection.
So this is the last?
So this was the last one. It's a blue and green. It indicates it's a autumn.
Punta po kayo dito sa Marriott para mapanood niyo po kung gaano kaganda.
I
At
hope
meron
you
pa
can visit po. And thank you opportunity, Miss Arlene.
Yes.
Thank you
Tara,
very
punta
much.
tayo dun sa...
Actually, I'm just retouching the painting.
Oo.
Because